our director, Neil Creasy, was at a conference. I can't remember which one it was, but the vendor table was set up for DT, and he was really impressed with the equipment for DT, the size of the unit, the fact that there were no wires, and he got hold of me. We had an introduction with DT and went into discussions. We ended up getting a good deal with DT. They beat the price tremendously. We had a team come out, go with me, and installed everything. I've been educated very well on it. What issues we've had so far have been few, and they've been minor. Very, very simple fixes. And the support's been just tremendous.